How to sign in to Cash App. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sign in to Cash App. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device. You will be led to the login page of Cash App. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address. This is the contact information Cash App will use to send you verification codes. After entering the initial verification code, you will then be prompted to add a bank using your debit card. You have the option to skip this section if you'd prefer to deal with this later. You will then be required to enter your name. Further, choose a cash tag. This will be used to create a unique URL that other people can use to send money to your account. Your cash tag must be between 1 and 23 characters long, and it also needs to include at least one letter. Next, enter your zip code. You will then be prompted to add contacts to your account. Allow Cash App to access the contacts on your device makes complete this step especially easy. You could also skip this step and add contacts later if you prefer. Finally, Cash App will notify you about their referral program. For each user you refer to this platform, you will earn $15. Your account has been successfully set up at this point. So this is how you can sign in to Cash App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.